Is Khatapana really that simple as we are claiming? Because in some cases, we are claiming it to be the simplest accounting system. Hello, my name is Kailash Pandey. I'm the founder of Khatapana. We are promoting Khatapana as one of the simplest accounting system that's being built for especially for not for accountants. Sorry, we are building it, keeping in entrepreneurs and decision makers in mind. For someone who may not be knowing the accounting convention or rules of accounting, debit credits and stuff like that, and making it easier for everyone to record it. So you may be a startup founder who is just starting up, cannot afford an accountant, but you don't want to ignore your finances from day one. It's very, very important. So let's see whether our accounting system is really that simple. So this is the dashboard. Once you buy our subscription, you can configure your business, enter the details, and this is the kind of dashboard that you get it. So usually you have these four options of recording. You have sales, purchase, cash, and credit. Every transaction, trust me, every possible transactions is manageable through these four options. So let's try one. Let's start with the sales. So if you made any sales to someone, you can just simply click sales. Let's say you paid it for 10,000 rupees. And if you receive cash, it's simple. You can save it. Or if you want to keep track sales for a particular customer, you can enter here. If it is for credit, you have the options to have full credit or partial credit. Let's say you go with partial credit, wherein you received 5,000 already, and that's how it happens. So whenever there is credit, entering the party name is mandatory. So you just add a party from the list, or you create a new. Let's create a new for this. So let's say we say this three tastes customer. You can add phone number, email, and options. If there is any previous due, let's say the customer had already paid 1,000 as advance. You record that and you enter save. So the party is already selected. And then you can also specify the due dates for follow-ups and stuff like that, and you can simply click save. And you can see all the listed transactions here or over here. And you can whenever you want to view a particular transaction, you can go and just click the transaction, and then see. If you want to look at the party account, you can just simply click here and see. This is the simple party account. So that's the accounting ledger that we generally call. So here you can have a summary of everything. So 1,000 you had received as advance. 5,000 rupees, you made a sales 10,000 rupees, wherein 5,000 you already realized for cash. 5,000 it's on credit, but since 1,000 was paid as advance, so 4,000 is the due amount. And then whenever there is another transaction, you can control everything from here. You can click this add menu and then click here, or simply if the party pays you the remaining amount or the partial amount, you can simply go here and enter it. Let's say the party pays 2,000 rupees. You can click the mode here. You can add bank, or even online systems like wallets like Stripe and other things, and simply save. So I'm just using cash for now, and then you can click save, and that's all. You'll get to know that it works wonder. It's 2,000 rupees that's remaining for you to pay. And you can do almost have every transaction like that. Let's record with a cash transaction. So there might be some transfer transactions, like you may withdraw some cash from bank, or transfer deposit some amount from bank to cash. You can do it from here. So this is the transfer transactions. You can also go to credit and enter that. It's simple. So whatever you'll receive, you'll enter here. Whatever you'll pay, you'll specify here. And these are the purpose sections for what you've received. So these are basically the chart of accounts or accounting hits that's used in your accounting system. And then there are these due accounts, wherein you have an option to view how much you owe to someone, and how much your customers owe it to you. And it's easy. You can see the amounts and follow up with the customer to get the payment. So these are pretty simple. So I leave it to you to decide whether it's simple or not, as we call it. I request you to go through our demo account. I will share the credentials below with this video so that you can play around and figure out whether this is the system that you have been looking for. And also you can check out our application. It's a mobile application available in App Store and Google Play Store, wherein if you are using it for one person or one user and for one business, it will be for free and it will continue to remain free forever. That's a promise. And then you can add multiple businesses. You can go to manage and see how many users are there. You can give access to your accountant if you have an accountant, if there are huge number of transactions for data entry and all other purposes. If you have more than one partners, and or you have a silent partner who just wants to see how you're doing financially, you can assign user accesses. So these are various options that we provide. You can check it out for yourself, and if there is a question, you can always reach out to me and I'm here to help you. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.